Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-way Great Dane, back with day 450 Star Drop opening, and a new season, 31, in Brawl Stars. So let's see what we have.
Epic!
Starting with an epic. 100 power points.
Legendary!
Legendary, okay. 1,000 coins, could definitely use that.
Epic!
And we have another epic. 100 coins, so some high rarity Star Drops there. And as you guys can probably tell, as I've already bought the Brawl Pass Plus here, I also got the additional Star Drop from the Supercell store. And again, while I'm not opening it on video, I did get a super rare of 100 coins. So nothing too crazy, but I did figure I would at least mention it. Again, we have new ranked season here. I think there's some unlimited gadget modifier or something. Again, for some reason it really only seems to show you the one time you look for, which is unfortunate, but there are some new or different modifiers that I do believe are going on in there. Again, I'm pretty happy to say I don't have to do that whole SpongeBob Krusty Cash 4 modes every day thing anymore, at the very least. But we do have Brawl Ball 5v5 going on. Nothing else too special besides that right now. So again, if we have a look at the actual pass itself, so again, I couldn't for the life of me remember what it was, but it is called Scary Tales. And again, I guess I can just activate the actual pass. It's actually kind of weird that I haven't yet, I suppose, right? I'll just press the funny button. Bada bing boom. Free rewards. Man, look at that progression. Okay. It's almost like they're just giving it away. And again, if you guys don't know, the reason I have an activate button there instead of a, purchase button is just because if you get it through the store, you can actually hold on to it, it looks like. So I'm guessing if I didn't use it the entire season, it would allow me to activate the preceding season, interestingly enough. Again, I don't know why you would hold on to it, but it's kind of cool that you have the option, right? Whereas if you purchase in-game, it just gives you the one you're purchasing for obvious reasons, right? But anyway, so again, I can't actually look back to the previous seasons. They changed that quite a while ago, but I'm assuming pretty much everything on the track is going to be the same except for the themed emotes, sprays, and skins. So again, some pretty neat looking pins here. They're all like fortune teller glasses. I forget what they're called. Fortune telling orbs, right? The glass balls, whatever you want to call them. Again, I just don't know what they're called. They're pretty neat looking pins, I suppose. And emotes, I usually call them emotes too, but they're technically called pins. Again, the main highlight of the season,
You got served!
Skeletal Surge, which definitely argues one of the cooler Surge skins here. I think it goes quite along with that Frank skin. Again, you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I can't place the name of it off the top of my head though. So
It's
there's
party
an
time!
anti-hero Skeletal Surge and
Power surge!
villainous Skeletal Surge. This is probably the one I would rock myself, but again, unfortunately, is the one that hides behind the credits, and I don't tend to unlock that one until the actual season ends, just so I can save the credits. In fact, as you guys might have noticed, I haven't actually unlocked Kenji yet, but again, that'll be very easy to do if I just collect some credits here. But again, so is the pass worth it? It really just depends how much you play the game, as per usual, right? So if you play every day, you're probably going to get a pretty good value out of it, but otherwise just decide whether or not you actually care about the skins, pins, and sprays, because everything else is just resources you could get for free just by playing the game anyway. Except for the gems, of course, which again are just a nice additional bonus when you get offers in the shop. But again, something else to keep in mind, you can't buy passes with gems anymore. Anyway, I'm only about 800 off from getting Kenji in again after I just grabbed some credits off the track. In fact, I might just do that now, actually, because why not? Make the video a little more interesting. I should have enough, I think. Yeah, it looks like I have just enough, actually. That's pretty interesting. Alright.
Only my heart is stronger than my brain.
Finally got the fish master here. Highly skilled sushi chef. Wholesome life running his restaurant in Star Park, but it feels like he's trying to hide something about his past. Though his sushi tastes so good, nobody cares, so... Again, if you guys haven't seen the animation for Kenji's arrival in Brawl Stars, I highly suggest checking out. It's a pretty cool, very well animated video. Again, apparently the Star Park robots stole his family or something. I have no idea what the lore is behind that or the implication, but again, he's a pretty cool character. From what I've seen in the news, he's apparently getting nerfed, but he is quite overpowered as he is right now, so if you're looking to push up trophies, you might want to do that immediately. But again, I don't think I'll be maxing him out in the video just to save time. So we have our sushi for all. Day 2 free spray. We have a daily freebie of 5 credits. Nice, 10 power points. So I now have Kenji and I bought the Fang skin. So my shop is looking very empty, actually. But again, I don't think there's too much else to cover because, again, now that we have the ranked star drops, there's not an official skin to show off. And while there's a skin for the season, I just can't show you directly. So again, let me just play the music for a second there, right? So you got it's essentially Halloween season scary tales. But as of today, I have 1,336 XP doublers and 94,088 power points. Again, I think I'm going to enjoy this season quite a bit, mostly just because there's no mandatory requirement to get free rewards going on here. Again, there might be some event going on, but I just don't know what it is as of right now. And again, hopefully it's just not too involved, because as much as I wanted to enjoy the SpongeBob season, and again, they said the skins would be out as soon as the season ended, and obviously they're not right now, so I have to wonder when that's going to happen. And again, I want to enjoy it because of the theme, but it's really annoying having to, play those modes, especially, like, at least for me, duels, just because there's a crusty cash, amount on there, right? Just because I want to get the maximum amount, plus, there's the whole thing of having, 1,300, again, for me specifically, at the end of the event that I just couldn't do anything with is a bit demeaning, but again, they are all free rewards there, so I can't be too triggered about that, so... And that's my general feeling towards last season. I liked the theme. I thought it was fun. I think having SpongeBob in the game is cool. Got 4 of the skins, but one was just because of my club, and one was because I just bought the pass, so it was pretty alright overall. But again, I'd much rather have the seasons where you have an event come and go, but it's not every single day you have to play the modes. It's a little frustrating. But again, it's not like it was that bad in the first place either, so let me know if you guys are excited for this Scary Tales season, if you're going to be picking up the Brawl Pass Plus or Brawl Pass yourself. And again, I'm not going to show it here just because I've got a lot to do, but you can always just click on the pass, click on the actual skeletal Surge skins yourself, give them a try, see if the animations or effects on them. If and find interesting this technically part of the Once Upon a Time skin sets, the same ones like Prince Sprout or Prince Emerald or Ruby Sprout, if I remember correctly. But yeah, again, there's really just not all that much to talk about now with the updates or seasonal changes in Brawl Stars with how they've changed the game, right? So it really is just the season pass. It's pretty much the only thing to talk about besides just the new modifiers and ranks. So again, without further ado, let me know what you guys think of the new season, if you think you're going to enjoy it, if you think there are any events coming up. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.